So our neighbours have a few cats and they keep coming over to say hi, no problem. I used to be really scared of cats until I lived with Lewis's sister for 7 months. And she has 2 cats, so I had to get used to them very quickly, and now I'm like a cat girl. One of my favourite things to do is to clean ovens, especially when they're quite dirty. And this one was quite dirty. There's quite a build-up of stuff underneath, which at first glance is annoying. But actually, I quite like using Oven Pride. Although if you did see the video from our previous house when I used it, make sure and wear gloves because I burnt my arms and it was quite sore and a little scary because I didn't know how bad it was going to get. So if you haven't used Oven Pride, it comes with a bag and you put the racks in. It normally says 2 racks. I put 3 racks in. And you pour like 2/3 of the bottle in of the solution and you let it for 4 hours to overnight. I let mine for like overnight and it was really good, easy to do. And then I just left that to the side and gave it a rinse in the shower the next day. Same thing in here, you just put it in, lie it all over. Everything was quite burnt and thick, so there was no point in even scraping. But I would say I did have to put like some tea towels or some like kitchen roll underneath so it didn't leak onto the floor, because I don't know if it would like stain it or damage it, so make sure and do that. But yeah, so then I just loved her and left her until the next day to come back and see this. It was just all lifted and it was just like perfect. Although I do want to do a second round of it because it's still a little nasty. Lewis got me the scraper, which I was so excited for, and you'll see here I've already posted a video. It just came off so easily. It was so satisfying. There was one little corner that was a bit stuck, but I think in a couple of weeks when I have like the energy to tackle it again, I want to like take the door off and properly get in with a toothbrush and kind of scrub around the edges of it because it's so satisfying to do when it's all perfectly clean. But I don't know, like a dirty oven, I just prefer when it's clean for cooking in. And you know what, I'm not even that OCD about cleaning or anything like that, but the oven is something for me. We have used it since and it's been running perfect, so we're really happy because we wanted a gas cooker and electric oven, so it was perfect. But you can see here this little corner got a little stuck and it didn't come off 100%, which bothered me so much because I was so close. I was like, but I'm going to do it again and give it like a proper little scrub again. So I'll probably record that when it comes to it. But yeah, Oven Pride for the win. And just see now in a second, I kind of scrubbed it all out and it was perfect. Our house has only had one owner before us and it's actually in pretty good condition. It just, they must have been smokers, so it's just kind of cleaning it and getting the smell out, which was the worst part. The oven actually isn't that bad. I've seen people that use their oven every day and it's actually worse than this. I went in with some Cif as well on top. I love a bit of Cif. And yeah, so I think the house is actually all right. It just needs like a good scrub, which I think moving into any kind of house, even if it's a new build, you're probably better off just scrubbing it because of dust and everything. So yeah, we're really excited for that and what's to come in this renovation. We don't really have the vision because the vision we had for a home we've already done previously. So this one is just going to be something completely different. We're kind of thinking maybe nice and colourful and like bright, nice colours everywhere. I'll show you the dishes we have because we've got a little collection of loads of different dishes, and I'll show you that in a different video where they're all kind of different, just colourful. But this is the end result. Not too bad if I may say so myself. I think I need to put the Oven Pride a little bit on the sides, maybe screw out them racks at the side and like give it a proper scrub like around the rim and stuff. But you have to take the door off. So hope you enjoyed this.